Good afternoon. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to make adjustments to the loading bar that displays with your Simplebooklet when your readers are loading the document. So I will show you how to toggle that on and off. So the first thing you're going to do is head over to your dashboard and then locate the Simplebooklet document you'd like to work on, and then you click Design. And then from there, you're going to go down to Settings, which is the last icon on the left here. And then that is where you'll find the loading indicator. So right now I have that toggled off, but I'm going to go ahead and toggle that on, and we'll open in preview and I'll show you what I mean. So that's great there. And let me just open this. And there you see that loading bar as it comes through. That is the loading bar indicator. So if I exit out of preview here and we go back into settings, I'm going to toggle that off and let me show you what that looks like now. Did you see how there was no bar there? That is your loading bar indicator. I personally like having it on. I think it just lets your readers know that something is happening, and I think it just helps calm them so that they know the website is working and your document is loading. But there can be various reasons on why it doesn't work for you and your document. So this is where you go to toggle that on and off. Okay, thank you. Bye.